Hello guys, here's one more video game about the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling you about the essential dictionary methods and its functions in Python. So yeah, I am telling you about this, so see the video start to end, and please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our any future latest videos about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of Python, I am telling you about the essential dictionary methods and functions in Python. So let's learn about it without wasting any time, and this video will be smaller, okay, I think so, because in today's video there are not any code, there is in only explanation, so that's why I am thinking this video is very smaller. But without wasting any time, let's get started and let's learn about what are essential dictionary methods and functions in Python. This topic will cover all the key methods and functions you can use with dictionaries, making it easier for viewers to handle and manipulate dictionary data in Python. Here is one suggested outline. First is introduction to dictionaries, means that it briefly explains what dictionaries are and why they are useful. Number 2, core dictionary methods. First, .get. .get method. What this dictionary method can do? It retrieve a value without raising an error if key doesn't exist. Okay. Now, number 2 is .keys method. What this method can do? It get all keys in a dictionary. Number 3, .values. What this method can do? It get all values in the dictionary. Number 4, .items. What this method can do? It get all key value pairs as a tables. Then the 3 method I have told you were of the dictionary method. Now number 4 method is called .pop method. It remove a key and return its value. Number 4, .pop item. It remove the last inserted key value pair. One more is .update method. It add items from another dictionary or key value pairs. Now one more is .clear dictionary method. And this method I have already told you in the dictionary series. Okay. If you not see it yet, so let me tell you where you can go and where you can see that videos. Let me tell you. Then .clear method. It remove the all item from the dictionary. Then .set default. It get a value for a key and set it to default if not present. Now useful built-in function. First built-in function is len function. It get the number of items in the dictionary, means how many numbers or how many alphabets in your dictionary. It told the len function will be told you. Now min max function. It find the min max as and keys for values if specified. Number 3, sorted. It get a sorted list of dictionary keys or values. Now one more is dict. It create a dictionary from a sequence or key value pairs. Number 4 is examples for each method and function. So how each method and function works with practical examples. Number 5, common use cases like using a .get. What can do it with default value to handle a missing key? Using the .update. What can do it it merges the dictionary, means if you are making a 2 dictionaries, so using the .update you will merge these 2 dictionaries. Now number 3, using a .items. What can do it? Loop through the dictionary and key and values, means if you are created a dictionary key and values, so during the .items you will loop through it. Number 6, summary and tips. Wrap up with best practice for using dictionary method efficiently. Okay. The topic is ideal for teaching viewers how to handle the dictionaries efficiently in Python, and it will make a great addition to your Rayyan channel. Okay. And if you don't know what a dictionary is and what are functions, so I have already made the video about it. So where you can see it, first of all, go on to the Google, search in my channel Rayyan, or here, if here it is not opening, write here Rayyan. And then open my channel and then open playlist, and we completed a 110 video of the Python. So then click on the bookmark and bookmark it first of all, and then come down here, first video dictionaries, like 43 till 43 till I uploaded the 50 till. Okay, 43 till 50 I upload a video of the dictionary. Go and see this whole video. In this whole series I have told you about what are the dictionary methods, and I told you about these whole dictionary methods. Okay, like .key values and values, like these whole method. Okay, so but in today's video we learn about what are essential dictionary methods and functions in Python, And I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to call the notification bell. Also, number any future latest videos about the Python. So now I'm meeting next class and next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.